2019278624. So hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Noranda Shuhada binti Norisham. My matrix number is 2019409524 and I'm from RCS 1434F.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur binti Muhammad Fauzi, matrix number 2019248284 from RCS 1434F.
My name is Nurul Fadlin Derazali. My matric number is 2019409138. I'm from RCS 1434F.
Introduction of the study. Cramer'S rules can be defined as an explicit formula for the solution of a system of linear equations with as many equations as unknown. It is valid whenever the system has a unique solution, and if not, Cramer'S rules cannot be applied. The Cramer'S rules is used for a system where the coefficient matrix is a square matrix. It uses a formula to calculate the solution to the system utilizing the definition of determinants. In general, Cramer'S rule is one of the ways to solve a linear equations with matrices. Purpose of study. There are some purposes that you want to focus on the study. For instance, to solve problem using the system of linear equations. Moreover, to form an augmented matrix that represents the system of linear equations. Furthermore, to find the determinants of the system of linear equations by applying Sarah's scheme.
Next is problem statement. So the story is about three best friends, which is Hani, Ain, and Elia, went to the hardware shop to buy tools for decorate their house. So they need pastel purple, pastel pink paint, and paint tool for decorate their house. So the cost of the things is 150 ringgit for 2 pastel purple paint, 3 paint tool, and 2 pastel pink paint. So the cost of tools for 2 pastel purple paint, 2 paint tools, and 4 pastel pink paint is 200 ringgit. And the cost of tools is 250 ringgit for 5 pastel purple paint, 4 pen tools, and 2 pastel pink paint. Hani, Ain, and India will share their money and they have 350 ringgit in their hand. So they buy 3 pastel purple paints, 6 tools, and 6 pastel pink paint. Will they be able to manage to pay the bill within the amount that they had?
Okay, next is calculation. So first step, we need to substitute each of product as a variable, like a pastel purple paint equal to X, paint tool equal to Y, pastel pink paint equal to Z. So next is we need to write linear equation based on information given. From the linear equation, we need to write in the matrix form Ax equal to B, like this. Next, we need to find determinant of A. So first, matrix A, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2. To find determinant A, S1 minus S2. So, 84 minus 64, we get 20. Next, we need to find determinant of Ax, determinant of Ay, and also determinant of Az. So, first, matrix Ax, we need to change column 1 into matrix B. To find determinant of Ax, S1 minus S2. So 5,200 minus 4,600 and we get 600. Next, matrix AY. We need to change column 2 into matrix B. To find determinant of AY, S1 minus S2. So 4,800 minus 4,600 and we get 200. Next, matrix AZ. Matrix AZ, we need to change column 3 into matrix B. To find determinant of AZ, S1 minus S2. So 5,200 minus 4,600 and we get 600. So next, we need to find the value of X, Y, and Z using formula simplified divide. So, variable X, 600 divide 20, we get 30. Variable Y, 200 divide 20, we get 10. And the last one, variable Z, 600 divide 20, we get 30. So the problem is, RM350 is enough to buy 3 pastel purple paint, 6 paint tool, and 6 pastel pink paint. So first step, we need to change in a linear equation. Then we need to put the value of x, y, and z. Then we get 330. So the amount is enough to pay the bill. Next is the result. So x is RM30, y is RM10, and z is RM30. So the amount of the money to have to pay the bill at hardware shop is RM330.
Okay, so next is discussion. Okay, so first we change the problem statement into mathematical sentence. The indicators for the items are X, pastel purple paint, Y pen tool, and Z pastel pink paint. Then convert the statement into linear equation. After that, we use Sorel's scheme to get determinant A. Then we apply Cramer's rule to get the values for X, Y, and Z. After solving all the question, we get that cost for 1x equals to 30 ringgit, cost for 1 y equals to 10 ringgit, and cost for 1z is equal to 30 ringgit. So the sum of the cost is 330 ringgit, and this amount is enough to Hani, Ain, and Lia to pay the bill. So in the conclusion, this problem can be solved by the Cramer's rule.
Conclusion. From the problem statement, we can conclude that solving a system of equations using Cramer's rule is much faster and efficient than other methods that we can use. It also requires some additional knowledge of rows and matrices, but the benefits far outweigh the challenge of learning some basic rules of row operations. If we can see from the result and discussion that we have discussed, the method of Cramer's rule is proved to be the easiest way in order to manage the result that we want. Cramer's rule is a viable and efficient method for finding solutions to systems with an arbitrary number of unknowns, provided that we have the same number of equations as unknowns. Cramer's rule will give us the unique solution to a system of equations if it exists. Furthermore, Cramer's rule is one of the most handy ways to solve a system of equations.